Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this wireless Bluetooth mouse. It's even rechargeable. That's the box here, some specs. So let's open and see what we get. And so the reason why I make this video is because it's absolutely crazy cheap. Usually Bluetooth mice are pretty expensive or can be pretty expensive. Usually they are $30 plus, but this thing here is listed on Amazon since very long time for only $12. So I think it's the cheapest thing at the moment which you can find. So it's a pretty interesting listing. But of course, the question is then, does it really work reliable? So let's see. So let's take it out here. Doesn't look too bad. Has a nice matte black finish. Here we have some button. Here we have the wheel. It's rather a wide wheel. I mean, not super wide, but decent width, I would say. And underneath it's pretty smooth. I can't find any problem. Here we have a button, and we get also this micro USB charging cable. So let's plug it in here to charge. We get this red light, and there's also a description here inside. Could be really interesting. I mean, it's standard Bluetooth, and we could connect it through the system menu, but also let's have a look here. Maybe it could be interesting for you if you're having problems connecting it. By the way, this should work for almost everything, every device which has Bluetooth. So definitely not only for Windows PC, also for Mac OS or iPhone or Android phones or tablets or whatsoever. So this is very flexible device, and the good thing is also that it has a decent size. I mean, I wouldn't call this absolute full-size mouse, but it still has a decent size. If you don't want to read everything, I have the most important information here. To charge, it takes about 3 hours, and it has also power saving options. So if you have it like that, maybe connected to computer, don't do anything for 8 minutes. It will go into sleep automatically to save some power. And then you can come back and just press a button and it will reconnect, turn on. And here we have a DPI switch. DPI can be switched between 800, 1200, 1600 DPI. Of course, we'll also change the speed, but you can always mitigate that in the system settings. Then down here we have the connection button. Just long press for about 3 to 8 seconds, and then it will go into Bluetooth connection mode. If the computer requests a Bluetooth password, then it will be 4 times the 0, means 0000. And so let's see if we can connect it. Also the question is, of course, can we run it while we are charging it? So let's move this to the left side. Yeah, looks like it's turning on also when we are charging it. And now let's connect it. We press here. Yeah, it just pressed very short. I don't know if this is already enough or I have to press for longer time. Now it starts blinking. That's probably the confirmation that it's in the connection mode. And so that's the Windows 11. We click on add a device. Then it should be scanning for something. Yeah, now we have to confirm Bluetooth. And I think it should appear with Bluetooth 5.2 mouse. So we wait a little bit. Yeah, here we have it, BT 5.2 mouse. So I click on this one here. It says connecting. BT 5.2 mouse connected. Let's see if we see something. At least the blue light is gone. And now we can see, we can use the mouse. You can see the mouse pointer. So that's definitely confirmation that we can use it with charging and without charging. So I unplug this here for the moment. What's really nice here is that it's also working on this very reflecting, shiny white surface here. A lot of mice are struggling here. I mean, I'm not saying it's working perfect. Sometimes it's moving a little bit around, a little bit weird. So still a mouse pad is highly recommended on some difficult surfaces. But now we can see it's pretty reliable. So I've made the mouse pointer a little bit larger so you can see it better. So we are using the DPI switch. Yeah, I think there's a little bit of change, and now it's rather slow. So here's the slowest, that's probably 1600. When we push again, we have 1200. We click again here, then we have 800. There's definitely a difference. And regarding the size, it's pretty comfortable here. I don't see any problems. Buttons work, scroll wheel is also working. I've tested this before, so definitely everything works. Really nice device. So I think it's a really good value for $12. We cannot complain. Bluetooth mouse with pretty much all the options for $12. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.